Today we are going to introduce Nilight 60W LED light bar. Let's take a look together. Open the box. You can see a warranty card, and you can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. The box also includes 2 PCs 60W LED light bar with black aluminum housing and 20 PCs 3W high quality LED chips. It includes a durable adjustable mounting bracket and accessories, as well as some screws for quick installation. 5-minute quick installation. Simply fix the bracket to the lamp with screws on both sides, and then tighten it in the installation position with bolts and nuts. The dazzling lights projects a super bright light to provide unrivaled illumination, bring you wider and farther view area.